remove roller brush to clean it. So here have a ledge, brown ledge. Push this ledge and move it up. Move this up. Then brush need to remove, complete remove brush. And here this may be dirty and this end need to clean. So how to clean this end? Either use this to clean it. If it's hair, then use a scissor to take out the hair. Okay, let's see, the hair need to take out. Again, this remove rubber brush, and so this also dirty. This is also dirty. So need to take out the hair. Take out the hair. Okay, and this end clean. After clean it, put this back and put roller brush back. And put this rubber cap back. After clean the hair, and this end here have a hair. Pull this ledge up, put the brush, and then so both brush are in place, and push this down, it will latch. Okay, to put this, to take it out again, push this brown, push this way, and then this ledge can move up. To lock it, just push it down. Okay.